So, welcome to my channel and welcome to Kata Beach, Phuket, Thailand. And as of this video, it is 1st of October 2024. And what I thought I'd do is a little bit of an update on Kata Beach, especially down there in the south area, because they had a little bit of damage on the wall. But I'm going to start up here on the north side, kind of show you the beauty of it. And you can see all the umbrellas, beach chairs. This is the little launching ramp on the north end. But let's go up there and check it out on the north. And then we'll make our way south and you can see what's going on down there. See how the progression is. And you know, by the way, they actually have a little sign on what the new one's going to look like down there with the after it was damaged, so that's going to be interesting. You can see that. I'll give you a little of the beach chair action. Why not? Looks like they have a new style of beach chair. It's not the old plastic things anymore. I have to say though, I love making beach videos. I was at the market on Sunday. That was a lot of fun. And yesterday I was at Corone Beach. That was really cool. Looks like the tide is making its way in again. I love this beach. I mean, I'm actually staying here at Kata. That's why I'm a little bit more video than normal on this location. Now the difference between north and south is, it seems to be surf wise, it's a little bit more mellow up here because you have this island and you got the point right here that kind of blocks the swell a little bit, but still you can ride some good waves here. Now I know I've got a lot of Filipino subscribers on my channel, and I am going to be heading back to the Philippines very, very soon. Just want to let you know, if you made it this far in this video. I'll kind of do a little bit of a comparison here, especially over in, I was over in Boracay, and if I compare this beach to Boracay, they're just as beautiful. Philippines has some of the finest beaches in the world, and I've been to a lot of them, and looking forward to seeing a lot more of them very soon. They each have their similarities, and if anybody's following along, let me know. What do you think about this beach? And kind of give me a little bit of comparison to, let's say, White Beach over in Boracay. I spent some time there, so tell me what you think. Boracay, Phuket, which one? I think they're both just as beautiful. Now, one difference that I do see, and I'm just going to use Boracay for now because that is a very popular location in the Philippines, is the beach chairs here are much more prevalent than over there. Although Phuket is really trying to improve that by making sections on the beach with beach chairs, no beach chairs. It's working to an extent, but sometimes I see more beach chairs, umbrellas creeping up than normal. And high season is just around the corner. I think it's going to kick off here soon. Anyway, my Filipino subscribers, Boracay, or let's say we'll take Kata Beach. Give me a comparison. What do you think? That is the question. If you made it this far in this video, and I hope you did, really. You can see the surf gets a little bit larger as we make our way down this beautiful beach. And this is kind of a little exercise vlog for me, but also again showing an update on Kata, and also because I'm actually staying here. I don't live far away from here at all, so it's just walkable. That is Club Med, which is the largest resort, which runs right behind Kata. It's very, very big. This is part of my daily walk where I keep my 20,000 steps a day, and I'll kind of give you an idea where I'm coming from. I started out there at the north end. This is a very popular thing to do here, is the parasailing. I'm not sure if they're getting ready to launch or not. I guess they are, so let's catch this one. All right. Nice launch. You know, the difference between parasailing here, and I'm going to use Vietnam. In Vietnam, the guide does not go up there with you. He stays in the boat. But up here in Thailand, maybe here in Phuket only, they actually have one fella goes up with the flyer there. So right behind me, this is all Club Med. This whole backside, this is like the center of it right there. They don't actually own the beach. They just have their chairs here. So this is more of the south end of Kata. This is probably the busiest side compared to the whole beach itself. And this is where they suffered the damage just on the road. And we'll go check that out. I'll give you a good update on what it looks like. But that does not in any way slow people down from coming here. Believe me, it is still just as beautiful as ever. Okay, let's go up there and see what it looks like now on the road. See what the progression is after, let's say, 7 or 8 days. Okay, this is what it looks like now. So a little bit better. Still a ways to go, but coming along faster than I think it is. So they actually have the road open. About 7-8 days ago, when I first got here, the road was closed, but now fully open, and you see how they're starting to slowly put this into play, although still got a lot of work to do. But let me show you this little sign, or what it's actually going to look like. I saw this today. So here is the new layout of this location, that being the south. And you can see they got the new wall. It's going to kind of go down, and you got this other area right here, which is the walkway, and then you have a windsurf statue. That's being the north. You can see the island, which is right over there. So this area right there, south, come around, and you see the windsurf, the island, and that will be like right over in here. So it's gonna be really neat. Okay, back out to the beach, and we head this way south. Check out what's going on down there. I do like the south side. I know it's better. Definitely more crowded down here. I think the rain is maybe drying up a little bit. Don't have any storm systems coming in that I know of. That's usually what drags in the endless rain. This is the almost very end of Kata. They have a lot of couple restaurants on here, pretty neat to eat at. It's kind of a view from the restaurant. Gonna head up to the street. Go up there, come around the backside to the beach. Okay, that's what it looks like. So this is the end of this video of my little update walking adventure here in Kata. I'm right here on the backside road. And if you like this content, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. So see you from beautiful Phuket, Thailand later.